Hello everyone. In last video, we gone to a topic of data types. Okay. Now we just go with the flow. Implicit and explicit conversion. What does mean by implicit conversion? Implicit conversion means we are the data type, the automatic conversion of one data type into another data type. So implicit in the sense it is internally converting. So the automatic conversion. Okay, for this. What is meant by implicit conversion? What is meant by automatic conversion in the sense? The first thing is if a data type is converted automatically into another data type is called as implicit conversion or type conversion. Okay. So what does this mean is if I am having a byte data type, byte variable, I want to convert it into a int variable. So then it is possible because byte carries one uh, byte of memory, whereas int carries 4 bytes of memory. So it means that a smaller box of memory is holding it to a bigger box. So small box can hold a big box can hold a smaller box inside it. So that is the concept behind it. Let me explain it demonstrating. A I is equal to 10, I is equal to b. Okay, so what happening is byte, which is the one byte of memory. Okay, then int, which is the 4 bytes of memory. Okay, so what happens is the one byte, what I am asking to my system is I want this one byte of memory to be converted into a int, which means 4 bytes of memory. So it will be converted automatically. Okay. So now I just print this inside in the console of the value of I should be 10. Okay. The implicit conversion also known as type conversion. Then another one is called explicit conversion. So explicit conversion, which is also known as type casting. What is meant by explicit conversion or typecasting means it cannot be automatically converted. So the thing is, we are explicitly converting one data type into another data type. That means if I am having int I is equal to 20,000, okay, then int I it's already declared. So int b is equal to 20,000. Now I want this integer variable to be stored in a byte variable. Is it possible? No, right? Because int is the bigger data type of memory. Correct. But I want this bigger data type of memory into a smaller box, which is a byte. Here it is showing you that type mismatch. Int cannot be converted to byte. But we haven't seen those kind of error here. Why in the sense int is a bigger box of memory which is having a 20,000, which is the value which will always more than the bytes value. So we need to explicitly convert the integer value of into byte. So this is what the explicit conversion or typecasting, which is explicitly we are converting from one data type to another data type. Okay. Now I'm just printing the value of e here. What is happening is, mm, oh, it is printing 32, but I have gave it as 20,000, right? So what is happening behind the scene is the value loss is happening because byte can have only 1 byte of memory or 8 bits of memory, correct? But it is exceeding the value, exceeding 20,000 is exceeding the range. So what it happened is behind the scene that 20,000 is divided by the 2 power 8. What is mean by that 8 in a sense? The number of bits in the number of bits for byte. Byte memory is 1 byte. and 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. That 8 is here. Okay. Here, what is happening? It is not a normal division. It is a division, but it returns the remainder. So that is what happening in the bracket. Let us demonstrate that. Sys out. In Java compiler, the 2 power 8 is denoted as a bitwise operator. So we need to do power of math dot power of operation, or else 2 power 8 the value is 256. Okay, now we just print on this. So this is how the value loss is happening while we are explicitly converting from one data type into another data type. If I am giving something like 127, okay, if I'm checking this, what is happening in the sense, it will print the value, because 127 is the value within the range of byte, so there is no uh, a loss of value is happening here. But if I print it as 128, what will happen in the sense, it is printing something like this. Why? Because it will be it will print the value as it is when it is inside the range. If it exceeds the range, it will be converting like this the value and getting the remainder. This operator is called as modulus operator. Modulus of 2 power the bytes it is using for its memory. Okay, if it is a short, it will be using 2 power 16. Okay, like that. So this is what implicit and explicit conversion. And then there is one more conversion called as type promotion. What is mean by type promotion in the sense? I will explain you. Type promotion. The type promotion in the sense, if I have byte b is equal to 10, and then byte okay, num1 and byte num2 is equal to 20. And then now I'm converting into what int result is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay. In this stage, what is happening in the sense, we are adding two bytes. Num1 and num2 are the byte values. But we are storing this byte value into int result. Now the byte values are automatically converted into int value for the operation. Okay. This is the type promotion. But in this case, in this also, you cannot do the reverse of it. Reverse of it in the sense, int values cannot be converted into byte values. For that, we need to explicitly do it. Okay, because byte is a smaller box, whereas int is a bigger box. So we are doing like this. This is called as type promotion. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys have a brief knowledge on what is implicit conversion, explicit conversion, and type conversion. Okay, let you guys see in the next video. Bye bye.